YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today we are at this dealership. Yes, we came at night because I don't want to deal with, like, you know, as soon as you come to like a dealership, the people just come out and just want to ask you mad questions or try and sell you a car right away. Like, bro, I just want to look first. Like, I want to know which one I want, do all this other shit, and then figure out, and then come later. You know what I mean? But there's a couple SS down there. They got these caddies all blacked out. CT5. Whoo! Blacked out, bro. Damn. And these windows is tinted like crazy. It got a carbon fiber steering wheel. Yeah. The paddle shifting is big as shit, too. Y'all probably can't even see. Yeah, it's too dirty for that. But that shit is nice. Here you go.
Somebody traded this in. The brakes are rusty.
Bro, most of these are traded in. You could tell, like, well, I think that comes with it.
Bumped in. I didn't imagine with the car alarm.
I don't know, but that's carbon fiber lip. They got a white one right here. Damn.
Right one.
Bro, the white is fire.
No, I like the blacked out one.
I know, I like the blacked out too. And you could tell it's different rims too. But I like the red though. The red look mean. Oh, there's a gray too? Shit. And this big ass spider. Look at this. This big ass spider. Where is it? Y'all see that?
Yeah, these don't mess with them.
I'm not. What the hell? You probably came to look too. But yo, this.
Driving a car that says dog mom.
Yo, I want a caddy like this, bro. And this gray one is just. Whew. They pushing a lot of money though.
Yeah, this one's not carbon fiber, so.
This is. I get something like this when, you know, when we up at like. We need like. I need like. Shit. I need 50,000 subs. If I get 50K subs, I'll get one of these. Is this a Z01? Nah, I don't think so. I'm not sure. I don't know Camaros like that. But damn!
Can we look at that one later? Like, can we go on road?
Yeah, we're going to row. All right, my bad. Carbon fiber hood. Look at this.
Oh, shit.
That shit hard. I think I'd get a Camaro. Maybe. I don't know. I need something
I
four-door.
don't like Camaros.
I need four-door, though. Like, the caddy.
Which one? This one, I know this one's fast.
Yo, is that a bigger turbo in that?
Looks like it with carbon fiber.
That one's nice, though. Yo, but I'd get a caddy or I would have to get the SS. But damn! What the fuck, bro? What you pushing, my boy?
Probably a lot.
It might just be the intake. I don't know. Damn, look at these tires. What the fuck?
They're definitely racing.
LT1? See, I don't know Camaros. I don't follow, like, Camaros like that.
They say racing, though.
I know.
This one's mean.
They got this blue. I like the blue.
This one's mean.
Blue's type nice. This shit look hard, too. Let me get my keys. There we go.
Look at that spider. Got a bird feather in there. Watch out for his little thing.
Damn, why is this thing so long? But this is, I like this. This is hard.
He living here.
Carbon fiber wing. Look at that. Sheesh. Another one like this.
This is it.
I'm coming over. These got, they look like Spec D tail lights.
There's spiders all over.
This-
Somebody put work into this one.
These are all Z01s right here.
Yeah, somebody's put work. Somebody definitely put money into this one.
Z01. Another Z01. What?
Brakes.
I know, they a little rusty. Look at them shits. Shit. This blue is... Oh, my God.
Somebody put money into that one.
Look at the blue, though.
Look at the red.
Bro, these colors just look like... I know it's just like a normal color, but like the colorway and the whole like body shape, it's hard. Look at the gray. This shit look mean.
This one does too.
I know.
This one especially.
Look at the front. Like,
I would get this one.
I really fuck with the ZL1s. I'm not gonna lie.
I would definitely get this one.
Yo, I would really get one. Looking like Bumblebee and shit. Black too. The rose gold is fire though.
The lights go rainbow.
Uh-uh.
If you go past them, the reflection.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
It's
Damn, big ass spider.
hot.
I don't mess with no
Put your
spiders.
flash into it. Let me see the inside.
Yo, look it. They put it. This one was dynoed. Complete street performance, max power. You pushing 675.
I want to see what that one with the.
Hold on, let me see if I could get this. Look at that, 675. Well, 673, but we're just gonna round it. This shit pushing 673, bro. That's crazy. I don't even know. I never drove a car with that much power.
I want to see what this one's pushing.
I don't know what I would even do with that power. Look at the trunk. Sheesh. They got a... Ew, I got a spider web on me now. Blech. Yeah, it gotta have... It should have a paper or something.
It has a paper.
Where... This black one? Why is there so many spider webs, bruh?
700.
Uh-uh.
Mm-hmm. Max horsepower 709.
Jeez. Look at that. 709. Yo, look at they cameras. Look. They got them nice ass cameras.
This one's only 508.
508. That's poop. Yo, look at this though.
I don't want it.
That shit hard. You gotta take off that right there. Take it off. Taking off this right here, this little shit. Take off that. I don't want it.
This one's 813.
It got a front lip though.
This one's 813.
813.
That one is.
The Shelby GT500.
Yeah.
That's almost pushing 1,000. What? Damn. Max torque is 689 at 92 miles an hour. Bro, the inside look crazy.
I want to see what the fastest one is.
Oh, this is... Yo, you know what this is? Yo. That's crazy. I've never seen one of those. Or never seen one of these. Cause... Ooh. You remember when we went to that other dealership and it had that, when I was getting my car fixed, it had that Mustang and it had this Saline edition added to it. It was like an extra 20,000. This is the one. This is the same one but different. What is this though? V8 bit turbo. Okay. What we looking at? AMG, all right. C63S. This is a S? Yo. I want this. This is what I want. I want this right here.
Which one?
Right here. C63S. This is what I want.
I want to see who's the fastest.
Hell yeah, bro. Shit just blacked out. The freaking, look at it. Windows is tinted like crazy. Look at the lip on it. Yeah. Look at that. You telling me that's not fire, bro? Bro, that shit fire. It's either this 4-door, because I need something with 4 doors. So it's either this or those down there, SS, or we're going to have to get we might have to go that all black caddy right there. Or, hold up, wait a minute, chill out. I'm getting there. So that black, right? Or we thinking of Look at this red one. You telling me that's not fire? Look at that. Come on, man. But I feel like it's too long. It should look long as hell. Nah, bro. This one look longer. Why does it look longer than the black one over there? And I thought the C63S's, I thought this was like longer too, but it looks short. Like compact a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But nah, I still get it though. I'm not gonna lie. So caddy, black caddy over there, or we probably a gray one, but black caddy over there maybe, or this, or we're going to go with the SS. But I'm thinking the Mercedes. I want something that's like luxury and that's fast. You know what I'm saying? So I'm cooling. You know, chilling when I want to just chill, something luxury. But when I want to be quick, yeah, we out. Simple. You know what I'm saying? Yo, y'all want to see this, bro? If y'all want to see this on the channel, y'all want to see this on the POV channel, bro, hit that damn subscribe button. Fuck you waiting for? Cause we need that. Y'all want to see it? Y'all want to see it. I want to see it. You know what I'm saying? I want to show it to y'all. You know what I'm saying? I want to bring this to you guys. I want to show it to y'all. So, yo, let's subscribe right now. Stop. I'm gonna subscribe. I'm gonna wait. All right, we good.
This one's the fastest on the lot.
That one, 800. 813. I like this orange though. I told them if they want to see that Mercedes, that C63S on the channel, subscribe right now. Right now.
I wish all of them had.
Look at that orange. Oh my God. Sheesh. But nah, bruh. Need that. This is only hitting 386? What? No, but I seen some of these that they're like cammed. They're like, do these come V6 or V8?
I want to see what it looks like.
What, the red one?
Do you see it back there?
The red caddy?
What?
You talking about the Camaro? What are you talking about?
Oh, it's out there.
Oh. I don't know, but I seen videos of those SS's, but I don't know. They did a couple burnouts. Bro, but I want this. Shit, bro. Yo, this is why I said I'm trying to go full time. Like, yo. I know we gotta hit steps first. We gotta hit goals first. You know what I'm saying? You gotta set goals and you gotta hit them. That's cool. So I'm trying to hit the 1K mark. You know what I'm saying? So subscribe. Let's get to the 1K. You know, I help you. You help me, I help you. You know what I'm saying? You help me get to 1K. You help me get to this. I get to help and bring out more content for y'all.
You even have a detailing department.
Yeah, this is a performance one. A performance thing.
I like the wheels on the gray one.
That's a, what is that? What is that? I don't know what the hell that is. What the hell is 1LE? What the hell?
I like the wheels on the gray one.
The wheels on the gray one? I really like that rose gold. Yo, that'd be cool if you could get the rose gold.
I wouldn't get a Camaro though.
Nah.
Not that I don't have anything against them or Mustangs or whatever, but
I don't like Mustangs, but a Shelby though.
I still wouldn't get a Shelby.
Yeah, I don't know.
But that's just me. I wouldn't get a Camaro either.
I might get his
Or not a Camaro, a Corvette.
Oh, so you'd get a Camaro, like a ZL1?
No, I wouldn't get a Camaro and I wouldn't get a Corvette. And then I get those wheels though.
What, these?
Yeah, those fronds.
I don't like Mustangs though. Like, they're just ass. No offense to whoever has a Mustang, but
Watch them come in and be like,
my preference is I don't like Mustangs. It's like
you seen this one? It has purple cow.
they're just too, yeah, I seen that. They're just too, like, they just be loud. And some of them are not even fast though. Like, you just be loud and obnoxious. But I like how the body shape is though. Like on certain ones, like, it gotta be a certain color and then it looks nice. But like I said, gotta hit goals. So we trying to hit to the 1K mark. After the 1K, we're gonna try and hit for 5K. We're gonna go to 10K. You know, keep going up and up and up and up. But y'all need to help me. I help you bring out more content. Y'all need to comment below and let me know on what videos y'all want to see. We just wanted to come look at these because any other time when we came, they just be rushing out and be like trying to sell you a car right away. Like, you didn't even get time to look yet. It's like they want you to look online and then you come and just buy it right away. Like, what if I just want to come look at it in person? Like, let me just look, bro. Then I'll tell you and let you know. But yeah, I don't know. I want to get that. I want to get that Mercedes though. That's what I want. That shit's fire. But we gonna get it one day. So, but anyways, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.